Nanobabo Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
If you are looking for a Korean restaurant that you will feast, guys, this is the restaurant to be. This is the Angry Pig.
Dito, you will have a unlimited samgyeopsal, shabu-shabu, teokboki, and a lot
A
more.
lot more, guys. If you want to know kung ano yung kinain namin kanina, samahan nyo kami.
So tara, let's go!
So ayun guys, nandito nga tayo dito sa The Angry Pig. So this restaurant, Korean restaurant, samgyeopsal restaurant, actually opened August of 2020.
Yes.
So imagine, Mark, it's a product of pandemic. I mean, we'd still want to congratulate them. Yes,
Despite
exactly.
the pandemic, nasubukan pa rin nila magtayo ng bagong business.
Yes, and dito po sa The Angry Pig, grabe, they have a wide variety of choices dito sa samgyeopsal nila.
So meron silang 6 sets na pwede mong pagpilian. So as low as 199 pesos, pwede ka na kumain dito ng samgyeopsal.
Yeah, so of course guys, nandito tayo ngayon and ang pinatikim nila sa atin is yung The Angry Pig Feast set. So the price is actually 699. Pero sabi mo as low as 199 pesos,
Yes.
pwede ka na mag-dine dito. But what do we have dun sa 699?
So dun sa Angry Pig Fish Set, so meron tayo ditong shabu-shabu, meron tayong unli beef, unli pork belly, unli chicken, unli herb samgyeopsal,
Wow!
unli pork steak, unli mixed seafood, cheese fondue. So meron din tayong 6 side dishes, red iced tea, rice, lettuce, and soup.
I've heard, no, so actually nagiging sikat na rin yung teokboki na dish
Yes.
dito. So dun sa feast natin, so either you choose a shabu-shabu or yung teokboki.
Yes.
So syempre unahin natin yung shabu-shabu kasi ako nagtikrave ako ng shabu-shabu matagal na. Anyway. Actually kakaiba to, no? Very unique yung dip nila. Okay. So para sa akin siguro yung 699 if you're that person na talagang gusto mong yung kumbaga mabusog, sobrang punong-puno yung tiyan mo sa mga Korean food, I think you'll go for that, no? And syempre, meron din naman tayong mga kumbaga, pinipili na is yung mga pangmasa set.
Yes.
So, good thing they have 199 pesos dito. I mean, even a student, talagang pwede kaya-kaya kumain dito.
So yung 199 pesos nila, for your information,
Yep.
set nun is meron siyang unlimited pork, unlimited chicken barbecue, 4 side dishes, red iced tea, rice, lettuce, and soup.
Nakakatuwa dito kasi makikita mo yung mga customers natin ranging from students.
Yes.
Meron tayong mga couple,
Meron tayong mga employees, barkadas.
Yes.
So parang napaka-wide range ng kanilang mga clients. So parang abot kaya talaga ng masa.
Of course, so dito guys, sinusundan pa rin nila yung government protocols, no? Ayan guys, so this is the mixed seafood if you notice. Oh yeah. I mean, you got some shrimp, clams, tahong, mussels. Wow. Alright, so Mark, para sa'yo, is it sulit ba yung pagpunta natin dito?
Actually, sulit na sulit ngayong pagpunta natin dito. So you could have an option sa mga kung gusto nyo budget
Yes.
so, from 199 pesos until kung yung gusto nyo ng
Sobrang feast talaga.
feast talaga, it's 699 pesos. Talagang masusulit mo na.
When you go here, you're gonna have options. You're gonna have authentic Korean dishes na talagang magugustuhan ninyo. So, I love the vibes, I love the feel. No wonder, I mean, ang daming pumupunta dito na bumabalik-balik sila dito.
So, the Angry Pig is located dito sa may Santo Domingo. So, pinaka-landmark nila is yung Super 8. And they are open from
11 a.m. up until 10 p.m.
Yes.
Alright, so guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to when you share it, tag mo yung friend mo na sobrang nagkikrave na ng samgyupsal and shabu-shabu.
Yes, so that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Cheers guys.